Ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful day today. Not only do we have the newest products by Groove Life, but I got a hot, piping fresh cup of coffee right here off to the side. I will get to that in just a second, but first and foremost, you are definitely probably familiar with Groove Life with their belts, but this also is going to be for their new minimalistic wallet as well. I also have a belt in here, so without further ado, I already took a sneak peek, but just the top just right here. So I'm right here with you. We're going to be seeing what we have inside of our box here. Here is the new Groove wallet. They have it in 2 different colors, I believe so far. And just like all my videos, after the video is done, in the description box right below the video is going to be the link for these exact same products. So go ahead and check them out after the video is done. This is the M1 gunmetal color in aluminum. We also have the Groove Life belt, which I'm super pumped on, and I chose kind of a matching gunmetal buckle area here, as well with a sweet kind of a nice lighter texture belt here. We're gonna get back to that in just a little bit. Also in the box, they have given me a really cool sticker. I'm tricking out a van for van life, which is actually gonna be on this channel as well, so definitely subscribe for that. Nice little brochure. They also make really cool silicone rings, kind of their story. When you guys order it, I'll let you guys go ahead and read all this. Belts, watch bands for Apple Watches. Again, the wallet we're going to be looking at. AirPod cases, some really cool products. I think that's all I have in the box here, so let's get rid of that. All right, let's get this guy on out and see what we got here. Now, a cool thing about this minimalistic wallet is that it is aerospace grade aluminum. It's A308 aluminum alloy body. All righty, they even give us a nice little tin case. That's kind of cool. Okay, right here with you. Let's go ahead and open this guy on up and see what we got. Very, very nice. Again, 2 different colors. They have a black one. I chose the gunmetal. Let's get that case out of the way for a second. Alrighty, and if you are wondering, I don't know if the camera is being able to pick that up or not, that is gunmetal, but it is more of a lighter gunmetal. It's not that dark gunmetal, it's kind of that lighter gunmetal. And the link below will give you a better photo exactly of that color. Obviously this is black compared to the gunmetal, so that will give you the idea of the color tones there. Now the money clip is detachable as well, which is a really nice feature, and the wallet is only 8 millimeters thick. You have some hardware screws on the side here. Flipping it over, 2 more hardware screws on that side. You have a Groove Life logo right here with, again, a detachable money clip. Just release the 2 screws and that money clip can be taken off. And on the top right, we're gonna see a GL small little logo. Now this does have built-in RFID technology to block RFID transmission, which is really nice. And it can hold 6 cards. I do have a very thick aluminum crypto.com card, or I should say probably steel or aluminum. So we're gonna take what I normally take out every day because I love it. I have my coupons in here. This is a massive wallet, and no, I did not pay for it. It is Louis Vuitton, but I did not pay for it. I do love it, but dinners out, nights out, especially wearing nice dress pants, weddings, I am not taking this with me. This is a much better option. Clip in some cash if you need a tip, and you're good to go. I won't show you, obviously, my credit card numbers. Let's get some cash. Take a look at that. I'm just balling out of control with a nickel on top. So I do have my crypto.com card, again, which is a very heavy steel card. So let me get rid of that, and we'll start out with 5 cards. This is my shopper's card, which obviously I could show the internet with that. So we're gonna simply stick the cards in, just like that. So 5 are obviously fitting just perfect. We'll of course be testing out 6 as well. Now this is what you've been waiting for here. This is actually really cool technology. So here is the face of it, obviously money clip on the back. We're gonna take my thumb and we're gonna just slide it up like that. Boom. And then again, just release it down just like that. And so they won't go back in until you just pop it in with your finger. So boom, boom, boom. That's really cool and really quick. So there's a little hinge right here on the left-hand side that triggers out just a little bit, and then you can go ahead and grab your cards out, pop them back in when you're done. Or in this case, what I would do is I would have like maybe my license on the front, maybe my most used card on the back, so you don't have to take them all out. I mean, they fan out really nicely. As you can see there, there's 5 cards. There's shopper's card, license, debit card, debit card, I hate credit cards, I hate debt. That's why I have only debit cards. And then oh, that's actually part of their thing. That's one of their fake cards. This fake credit card can't buy happiness, but it can help buy your next purchase adventure gear. That's pretty cool. So they give you a little discount card for your next purchase. So technically, I think I have 6 in here. That one's kind of thin, so I guess it doesn't really count, the one they gave you. So let me just try my crypto.com card just in case. And it looks like it works. Sweet. So I actually can get shopper's card, license, debit, and crypto.com debit card. If you guys are not hip to crypto.com, they actually give you rewards back. I think with the ruby red one, which I have, I think I'm getting back like 1% in crypto. So that's pretty cool. Right off the bat, I really love this technology. I think it's super easy. One finger, boom, 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 boom. They're not flying out. You just saw me how fast I did it. They've done a really good job with this wallet. All right, now let's hook up the cash. We have ourselves 40, 50, 55, 60 big ones, folks. 60 big dollar bills. Okay, so what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bills total, rolled over in quarters, thirds, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, you big ballers will be portraying. Well, you know, I'm saying we're not trying to be showy boaty around here anymore, you know what I'm saying? We got a little Dub Shack facing over here. You guys can do your nickel, you can do your Washington, whatever you want to do, or your Franklin. I'll leave that up to you. In valet, we used to call that a C note. All right, so here we go right here. Boom, boom. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? Tip the valet. All right, let me see what I got. Let me see what I got for you. All right, I'm feeling a little frisky. Not that frisky. Okay, how about a dime for your time? I actually valeted for years and have valeted many celebrities' cars over the years. Mayweather came into our hotel. We had Michael Clark Duncan from Green Mile. Unfortunately, he's passed. Super nice guy. I think he tipped me $5 for pulling up his Suburban. Now, one thing I am noticing with trying to slip in the cash, again, that is detachable if you don't use cash, but going that way seems to be the ticket. If I go this way, and if I like slip back, then my card out right there. So what I would do is I would use it like this and then slip in your cash that way there. I don't think it's gonna look as good. Probably it's gonna fold over as well. I mean, you could go this way if you really wanted to, but I mean, that looks okay, but it kind of folds over the top. I'll leave that up to you. I kind of like it the other way, but this would be a little bit thinner, I guess, going that way. And then if you are curious, boom, boom, flip it over, cash, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Pull it out. What do you need? What do you need, sir? What do you need? Dinner's on me, sir. Dinner's on me. Folks, they have done a tremendous job with this wallet. Very impressed. Good job, Groove Life, with your development on that for sure. And the reason why the cards stay in so well is because there's friction fit plus the mechanical arm holds cards into place. So I don't do that super fast and the cards go like a 21 card pickup deck thingamabobber. Love it. I actually really do love it. I'm not just saying that. I think it's a fantastic wallet. Okay, now let's just briefly look at this because once again, this is what they're really known for. I think this was their first product. Don't quote me on that one. And what I love about their rings as well is because my brother and I were actually talking about that. When you're at the gym, when you're going on adventure, you want to have, I have this kind of this saying, and Groove Life, you can go ahead and trademark my logo for a small fee if you really want to. Just kidding. But what I like, actually not kidding, but what I really like is guys and gals that wear silicone rings. Obviously, I'm not wearing one, but I call it adventure with integrity. So you go on a mountain biking ride, you wear your silicone ring, you're in the gym, people know that you are taken, and what I like is that adventure with integrity. So anyway, let's get back to this. So what I was trying to say with all that is check out their rings if you want to rock a really cool ring, and you don't have to be married for it. Obviously, wear one if you're married, but you could wear one on your thumb, whatever you want to do. Sky is the limit. Okay, we got a GL logo right here. Really nice. I believe this is just a nylon, but it has a little bit of a stretch to it. And here is your kind of your, I think I actually have it upside down. There we go. There's your little holder for the XS here. This is magnetic and same thing, A380 aluminum on the top here. I just thought that was a really cool color scheme. They have many different, I think they paired up with sports teams and all sorts of stuff. I went with a size small. That link below will give you kind of a better option for sizing, but I don't think the camera can pick that up, zoom in too far there, but there's the sizing for the belts there. But the link below will have that. And this, you just push forward, bada bing, bada boom. When you're ready to go, bada bing, bada boom, clasps shut. Now this video obviously was for the wallet, but I do want to show you their belts and talk about some of their other products as well. This is my really worn, probably 15 to 17-year-old snakeskin belt I bought in New Mexico. That's worn out. I'm stoked on this. What I like about this belt is I fluctuate how hard I train, so I go from like 150 to 155. So sometimes pants are a little snug, sometimes pants are a little loose. With this, boom, crank that up, snap that back into place. Has a little bit of stretch to it. That's a cool belt. I'm going on a mountain bike ride tonight. I'm actually excited to put these on my mountain biking shorts. Not to mention, if we do go get Chipotle afterwards, boom, Chipotle that. Well, folks, I know I keep saying it, but Groove Life has made some solid products. In the description box, again, right below the video, top link is going to be the links where you guys can pick up these products, the wallet, which is brand new, the belt, the silicone rings, the other products I've mentioned as well. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. Also, if you wouldn't mind, hit that thumbs up button on your way out. Helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you like videos like this, as well with adventure videos, van life videos, DIY home renovation videos, and more. We will see you on the next video. Take care for now, and thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.